Good morning, children. Let us discuss about the geography lesson for agriculture. In previous class, I have explained about the major crops. There are the major food crops wheat, rice, millets, etc. And also the fiber crops. Fiber crops are cotton and jute, and beverage crops are tea and coffee. About the food crops and also the fiber crops and beverage crops, let us learn in today's class. So, rice. First one is the rice. Rice is the major food crop of the world. Throughout the world, also, it is the main food crops. The population and also as a human beings, we need the daily food. The rice is the food crop. Throughout the world, also, rice is using. It is the staple diet of the tropical and subtropical regions. Rice needs high temperature, high humidity and rainfall. So to grow the rice, if the farmer want to grow the rice, they need the high temperature and also the humidity, and rainfall also should be more. So it grows best in the alluvial and clay soil which can retain water. China leads in the production of rice, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka, and Egypt. So, children, the rice is the main crop where it is especially it is growing in the high temperature and high humidity and rainfall. Where this temperature is located in that particular place, they will grow the rice also. So the main it grows in the best alluvial clay soil also. And also that to grow the rice they have to store the water, and also the rainfall also water storage also is needed for the rice. The leading production, the leading producers of the rice is the specially China. China is the production of rice, followed by the India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. In favorable climate conditions as in West Bengal and Bangladesh, 2 to 3 crops are grown in a year. So one crop to grow it takes the 4 to 5 months also. Even in the place of the Bangladesh and also the West Bengal, they are growing in the 2 to 3 crops also here. The next food crop is the wheat. Wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall during growing season and bright sunshine at the time of the harvest. So the wheat especially the moderate temperature and rainfall during the season only, and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. When they are going to be cut the wheat, it needs the more sunshine, and also that it thrives best in well drained loamy soil. So wheat is grown extensively in United States of the America, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and India. So the wheat requires the moderate temperature, and also the when they are going to be cut the wheat, it needs the sunshine. If suppose it rains the land, and also the when it is raining the wheat is going to be spoil also. So it grows in the best loamy soil only. Wheat is grown in the United States of the America, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, Australia and in India also wheat. Especially in India, wheat is growing in the winter season only. In our country, in winter season only they will grow the wheat. The one more food crop it is the millets. They are also known as the coarse grain and can be grown on less fertile and sandy soils also. It is a hardy crop that needs low rainfall and high to. So the millets also the food crops and also the moderate and temperature moderate temperature needed for the millets. So, adequate rainfall. The jova, bajra, and ragi are grown in India, especially in food grains in the millets. Jowar, bajra, and ragi they grow in our country only. Other countries are Nigeria, China, and Niger. So in these countries they will grow the more millets also. So rice, wheat, millets. So about the maize we will learn in tomorrow's class. Thank you.